Hello, my name is Everett, and today we're going to be making green juice. So the ingredients you'll need is 3 celeries, 1 cucumber, 2 apples, 2, spinach, and lemon with 4 pieces of ginger. And you will also need a juice extractor if you have one. Or if you don't have one, you can just mash it all up in the blender if you have one. Alright, now we have the juice extractor. Alright, you probably can't see me. You can see juice extractor. Alright, so you're going to need this mashy thing. I don't know what it's called. You're going to put it in. But first you need to add the ingredients. So let me add in some apples. Alright, so now we're gonna go to the cucumber, so I'll be right back. Alright, so now we have the cucumbers. Let me start adding the little pieces in. So you're gonna need to add one at a time because these are big. So let me get it. Now I'm gonna put it on. The cucumbers are done. Now let's add the spinach. Spinach right here. And our green juice tub is full. So we're gonna put this in a cup. Alrighty. Now we have a spinach. You can add like one at a time or a couple at a time. Or you can just add a handful. Alright, now the spinach is ready. Now we're going to add the celery. The second one. Then the third one. Alright. Now that is done, now we need to add the lemon and ginger. Alright. Now we're going to turn it on to 2. And that's our second tub of green juice. Have this it's your green juice. It should look like this, all greeny. Or for a little bit more flavor, you could add carrots, which is technically not going to be green juice anymore, but it's a ingredient to put in it. So now let me taste it. It's actually, in fact, very good. It's my first time making it. Well, I hope you liked this video. Bye!